Hi there girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, please boycott Suntegrity and do not buy them at Bluebird in Florida. And you may ask yourself, why should I? Well, let me just ask you for your support, because in today's social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you the consumer have the power. So if we believe or allege that a company has done wrong, or the founder or the CEO has done wrong, we have a lot of power that we can leverage on the internet, and I'm asking you today, please, to not buy Suntegrity products. And here's the reason why. I poured my heart out and gave everything for 2.5 years. This woman did not pay the salary. This woman resorted to get attorneys to threaten, make physical threats. I'll back that up if you want a copy. This woman claims that her products are made in the United States. The products, the samples, the tubes are made in South Korea and China. The printing is done in Canada. Where is that made in the United States? Furthermore, TRICIA did not disclose many accounts and wouldn't pay out commissions. These are a few reasons I ask you to boycott Suntegrity. Stand behind me and help me make a difference to leverage the power that we have online until action is taken. Thank you so much and enjoy your day.